In this video, we're painting a tumbler with Elmer school glue. What? And spray paint. So let's get started. Woo-hoo-wee. Man, that works great. My idea is that I want to do a little bit of a fade, maybe. I don't know. I'm not really sure. Kind of want to do a little splotchy too. Stripage, maybe. I don't know. Just feel it, man. I like to do the darker colors towards the top, or just spin it around in here and there. There, this is just the base. There, perfect. I want it kind of splotchy, that way when I do the pattern over it and the stripes of the glue, it's pretty much like the Dawn dish soap, but we're gonna use glue. And now we're gonna sit it here and let it dry. All right, so the cranberry alcohol inks have dried beautifully overnight. I'm undecided whether I should seal it with the matte clear or not. I'm just not gonna do it because it's dried overnight, and then we're ready for, hey, watch out microphone, school glue. Yeah, instead of Dawn dish soap, we're gonna do school glue. A lot of you complained, not a lot, maybe 5.
My grandma would have my tail if she knew I was wasting that much Dawn dish soap.
So what about school glue? I don't see a problem with that. Hopefully not. I haven't checked the price, so I don't know. But a subscriber named Simon Hydrographics, so you check out his Instagram right here. He actually did it on some paintball guns, so you're gonna want to check out his Instagram and look at those because it's crazy cool. He gave me some instructions. I'm gonna do it. I don't know if it'll work, but in my mind it works. And that's what I'm gonna do, and that makes me happy. Let's glue it. All right, here goes nothing. I am excited and nervous about how this is gonna turn out because I have no idea. This is kind of insane. Oh, what? Okay. Wow, that's kind of a lot easier to control than I expected. I kind of want some globbies. Let's do some random. We could do some crazy stuff. This is kind of satisfying. Oh, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, there's the end. Made it back around. Let's go again. Oh, these patterns are pretty cool. Oh, let's try to get some down on the bottom. Ah, so as much glue as you put, that's how much of the cranberry is gonna show through. And I want a good bit. Why is this so much fun? Because it feels wrong. Ooh, oh my gosh. Dude, I feel like I need to get that. That's a lot. I don't know. But I wasn't gonna touch it, but I lied. Okay, I touched it. Okay, I think it's good. It's good. It's good. Leave it. So let's go. Okay, so I may be wrong, but it's been spinning for about 30, 40 minutes maybe. And I don't know, I just feel like I want to paint it now and then let it dry overnight and then peel off the glue tomorrow. I may be wrong. Can't help myself. I'm doing it. That's me. Oh my goodness, I hope I don't mess up. I don't know if the glue's gonna keep moving. I have no idea. But it literally looks like Spider-Man right now. It's pretty sick, I'm gonna be honest. All right, that's it. That's it, stop. Oh, that's kind of sick. I'm not gonna lie. I could just epoxy that. Now we're gonna let it sit overnight, okay? Cool. All right, now, I may be wrong by doing this, but it's been rolling for a couple of hours. It's starting to gel up. I touch it, it's a little bit squishy. So I think I'm gonna go try to wash it off. I may be screwing it up, I may be wrong. The paint's more than dry. It's kind of satisfying too. Oh, that's coming out of there. Oh my goodness. I'm not waiting until the next day. I'm gonna wash it off and you'll be the first one to know if it screws up. Or I'll be the first one. Wish me luck. Holy cranberries, Batman. This glue trick works phenomenally. It's so clean. Like, is crisp. And I got my bottom. Some of it, if it's already started drying, you have to rub a little harder. You can rub it like lyric and it's not gonna come off. I'm so excited about that. I was really hoping the reds would be a little different, you know, more variation underneath, but whatever. Hey, I'm going with it. It looks great. I'm gonna put a little doggy on it, airbrush around it. And when it's all said and done, your glue and paint comes out fantastic. And I put a cute little paw heart and a little doggy picture out of printable vinyl. Slapped that bad boy on, sealed it a few times with the matte clear, you know, the fancy stuff. And then that's what you have. That's a beautiful personalized tumbler.